Hi everyone, hope you're all having a great summer, and on the topic of summer, today's model is going to be a mermaid. Now, kind of funny story about how I designed this. I was at a fancy restaurant, and the cutlery was wrapped in this piece of paper, and, well, me being me, I started folding it, and it ended up turning into this really cool mermaid. So yeah, here's how to fold it. Alright, so how to make this mermaid, we are going to start with a paper that is 1 by 3. That basically means if you put it into thirds, those spaces would be square. Alright, so let's first start out by taking this point, folding it to this edge. Basically fold so it looks like that. I don't know how to say it. But yeah, do something like that. And then fold, make a mountain fold here, and then valley fold this edge to this edge. Alright, and now let's valley fold up from this point to this point. Alright, and now take this point and fold it to this point. Alright, and if we unfold all of that, we should have this. Okay, now what we have to do is, yes, turn over and take this edge and fold it to this crease. Actually, oops, let's take this point and fold it to this point. If you haven't made this crease yet, do this first. Alright, now let's fold back up on this crease. And now we will reverse fold these points in. Okay, and then take this point and fold it to this point. Okay, and now turn over and take this edge and fold it to this edge. Oh yeah, and then make sure one flap is down here, like that. There we go, like that. And now let's open it back up and turn over. Now we shall zoom in a little bit. And let's take this point and fold it to this point. Now we want to make a fold so that this point touches this edge, and same with this side. And make sure that this point touches this center line as well. Try to hold the layers down so that they don't slide around. It will make your creases a lot neater. Let's valley fold on the existing crease, and take this point and fold it to the center. Alright, now you have to unfold that, and unfold all of this too. And now we're gonna make a pinch along here, and let's do it all the way to the top. And then same on this side, do a pinch, and all the way to the top. And fold it down so it's like that, so it looks something like that. And now you want to do a valley all the way across, like this, on both sides. And then you want to do this. I'm not sure if this fold has a name, but it's like that. You should be able to do it, it's pretty easy. And then let's do another valley fold into the center line, and then to the center line here. There will be more to fold once you get like closer to the center. And then valley fold down, and then let's rabbit ear this flap so it should form a point like that. And let's fold that to the side, and this will be the head. Okay, now we're gonna make a water bomb on this square. It's kind of the same process, but then we'll do something different. So, turn over and take this point and fold it I'm just gonna fold this behind. Take this point and fold it to this point. There we go. And let's, I kind of forgot. Yeah, let's valley fold this behind, and then fold this edge to this crease, and let this flap swing out. Let's turn over, and reverse fold these edges in. And let's fold this up like that. Yes, this is going well. Let's take this point and fold it to the center creases, the intersection. Unfold and make a fold so that this point reaches this crease, this point reaches this crease, and this is on the center line. And once again, make sure that the layers do not slide, because that is very important. Or just line it up with the bottom, that's a lot easier. And valley fold back down, and valley fold up again. You will notice there's some slippage here, but there will always be because life is not perfect. And let's unfold this all. And let's take this edge and fold it to the center crease. And unfold and make a crease so that this crease matches up with this crease and that this edge matches up with this edge. And valley fold back down, and valley fold this up. Alright, and repeat all of that on this side. Alright, and let's open this, and now we have to make a mountain fold all along here. And then keep going around, and then make a mountain fold all on here. Kind of like a big U. Alright, so like that. Then do a valley inside. Like that. Alright, and then now we're going to do a mountain around. You can do it on both sides if you like. You can do it here, here, and then do it in the center at the very end, like that. And now do a rabbit ear all the way down, and this is the mermaid base. Now we are on to the shaping part of this model. First, let's start with the hands. So let's just open it like this, and just push it through like that, and it should line up like that. Alright, now you can keep it like this, or you can make 3 fingers. So, and how to do that is we need to keep this mountain folded, pinch at the base, then bring these 2 points up to the middle one. And if you really want to go ultra extra, you can reverse fold them in to make them a little pointier. Alright, and those are the 3 fingers, and repeat that on this hand. Alright, now those are the hands. Now for the head, we can keep a little bit as the neck, and then go maybe like 2 units, and then squash it like that, and then bring these in like that. Then round it out, because we don't want it to be like a flat square head or whatever. And let's go like that, and then open here and reverse fold it in like that. That could be the hair, I guess. Can curve it in a little more. We should zoom out now. Alright. So, yeah, so curl that in. Looks a little weird, but you can fix it if you want. And now we're gonna curl it kind of like this for the tail. And let's valley fold this out like that. And curl it. You may want to use something like a pen to curl it like that. You can just keep it there for a while. We don't have a while in this tutorial, so I'm just going to keep it like that. And then let's make this tail look a little more taily. So let's fold this in. Same on this side. And then let's reverse fold this in something like that. And then you can open it up. And now, if you're done, you can, well, if you want, sorry, you can open this up and try and make it a little less like a stick mermaid, if that's what you want to call it. And then make these nice and flat. And then make this look a little less atrocious. And yeah, that's about it. So there's the mermaid. I hope you enjoyed folding this as much as I did. And in the meantime, have fun folding. Bye.